Welcome to the TrackMyGuys WorkPodium video demonstration. In this video, we will be reviewing the TrackMyGuys section. Let's get started. Here we offer the TrackMyGuys feature, allowing you to easily monitor who is currently clocked in and who is clocked out. The application automatically records the time, location, and date when your employees check in and out, providing you with accurate and up-to-date information. To access the application, your employees will need to download the TrackMyGuys app in the App Store and log in using the username and password that you have created for them. Over here on the left-hand side, your employees are organized by department. Each employee's assigned department is highlighted in green for easy identification. That concludes our TrackMyGuys overview. We trust that this video has been informative and helpful to you. Thank you for joining us for this tutorial. We hope you found the information valuable and that it helps you in all your endeavors. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to reach out and contact us. Thank you for choosing our platform.